Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to use Photos now. First, enable iCloud Photos so images sync across devices and avoid duplicate manual transfers. Go to Settings Photos and toggle iCloud Photos. Make sure you have enough storage. Low space causes failed saves, so check Settings General iPhone Storage and clear what you don't need. Once done, open the camera to shoot or open Photos to access recent pictures. Tap the Photos tab to start working with your newest images immediately. Now organize and improve your shots. Create albums to group images, tap Albums, add a new album, then move Photos to keep things tidy. For editing, select a photo and tap Edit. Use auto, exposure, crop, filters, and markup to refine composition and color because small adjustments change impact. Live photos can be set to loop, bounce, or long exposure by swiping up on the image. Use the duplicate detection tools to remove repeats so storage stays efficient, and you're finished by sharing and backing up your work. Select Photos, tap the share icon, and choose AirDrop, Messages, Mail, or Save to Files. You can export as JPG or hike depending on recipient needs. For bulk export, you select then Export and pick size or save to a cloud service for long-term backup. If something goes wrong, photos not syncing or missing, toggle iCloud Photos off and on, sign out and back into iCloud, and verify network and backup settings to restore visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.